Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how to create a statistical estimate plot using seaborn and matplotlib libraries. So let's get started. First, I imported pandas, seaborn, matplotlib libraries to the working environment. I will be using pandas to import the dataset as a data frame. And seaborn and matplotlib libraries are Python data visualization libraries that provides high-level interface for creating graphics. Next, as you can see, I imported the dataset into the working environment. I will be using Fruit Prices 2020 dataset, which I found from Economic Research Service website, in short ERS. It is a research report dataset about fruit prices in USA in the year of 2020. Now, if I run the head function against this data frame, as you can see, the dataset contains different measurement units and their respective prices. But I will be using three columns, which is the fruit category, retail price, and retail price unit. So here I have selected my columns and make some change on the column names. Now I can run head function again against this new data frame to see the first 5 rows of the data frame to verify if the change of the column names take effect. Now I'm gonna create bar plot to show the statistical summaries of each fruit category. So to create bar plot, first you need to call the seaborn alias name, in this case SNS, followed by plot function, in this case bar plot, then pass the parameters. My x-axis will be fruit category and my y-axis will be retail price. Also, I'm gonna group them by retail price unit using who parameter. As you can see, the graph shows the statistical estimate for fruit prices against the fruit category. So the bar plot is taking the mean of each fruit category and plots out as a rectangular bars. Now, if I run min function and grouped it by fruit category, as you can see, the outcome is similar with the graph. The graph is also showing the default error bar, in this case the 95 confidence interval. You can remove or modify the confidence interval calculation based on your requirements. For now, I will set the error bar function to none so that the error bar will be removed from each bar. Now to remove this metadata output, you can use show function from matplotlib libraries. Thank you for watching.